Fans were treated to a delightful surprise as SB19 released their latest vlog, giving an exclusive behind-the-scenes glimpse of their highly anticipated GOATed era concept photo shoot. The video, which quickly trended on social media, showcases the group's fun and candid moments that made fans laugh and feel killing. In the vlog, SB19 members Pablo, Josh, Stell, Ken, and Justin can be seen preparing for the photo shoot, sharing light-hearted banter, and making adorable and hilarious moments.
Patukayan na lang para lumapit sa akin. Dami-dami na may manok sa bahay.
Sino ba to?
Kasi pag ganyan, parang bigla may tumutugtog. Beautiful life. Wow. It's beautiful life.
Nananahimik yung tao.
Bilang tingkat na din.
Ano, Joel, di natatakot sa'yo. Mali daw yung language mo.
Hi,